Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium, and North Goal's tower crane is down to its final compression ring segment. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting with the headline update at North Goal. The tower crane here now has just enough reach left for one more pillar, one radial beam, and one phalange box before its role in the compression ring is finished. Falsework for that final pillar is already visible at the exact spot where it will go. And once this last piece lands, the ring will be fully handed off to the next phase here. Several more falsework units are still staged at the corner, waiting to be lifted into position over the coming days. Anchor bolt alignment continues steadily in the middle of North Goal 2, with protective netting now extending further along the underside of the cantilever, tracking the progress of the chrome ventilation tubing being installed below. Elevated platforms remain active throughout this stretch, as crews inspect and finish work on the beams overhead. Now, to the second biggest update. The Lateral's lead diamond keeps adding rebar across its floor slab panels, with crews steadily working through the remaining sections before the next concrete pour. Several falsework units are still waiting to go up from the corner staging area, including one earmarked for that same pillar position at North Goal. The lead diamond remains the most advanced of the three on this side of the stadium, having been the first to break ground. The middle diamond continues catching up too, growing toward the scale of its more advanced neighbor, with shoring beams and floor panels filling in section by section. A waterproofing membrane layer has now been fully completed across one section near these diamonds, matching a layer applied here the week before. Sandwich panel installation at the mobility cores in this zone also got a boost from the suction lifter tool, with one core now fully covered. Nearby, the gap left around the hydraulic piston has finally been closed, with 3 louvers fitted into the space that had been left open for that work. Over at South Goal, the compression ring is sitting at a standstill, with no new pieces added since Friday. Crews still need to install falsework, a pillar, and a radial beam before the next phalange box can go in, and that prep work hasn't started yet. The piece already staged on the ground now has its yellow connector components attached, the final requirement before it can be lifted into place. At the South Goal corner, anchor bolt alignment looks essentially complete, with crews now focused on tightening and securing the louvers already installed in this stretch, rather than adding new ones. Over at Tribuna, several louver bracket support pieces have arrived in a new section of this zone for the first time. Crews are also working through corner trim installation to cover the remaining exposed edges of sandwich panels on the upper level, with the lower section already fully finished. Compression ring falsework is also being staged here, ready for the moment the ring arrives from North Goal. Nearby, the diamond housing the future cafe continues seeing steady worker activity, with crews focused on detail work around its upper sections. At the Tribuna corner, louver bracket supports that were removed roughly a month ago have now been reinstalled, with 3 supports back in place and more expected to follow soon. So, to wrap up, North Goal's tower crane nearing its final compression ring segment was today's biggest story, with the Lateral's diamonds continuing to close the gap between each other right behind it. South Goal may be quiet for now, but with bolts and connectors already prepped, the next push looks ready to begin. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça!